Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your IONOS email with Gmail so you can receive and manage your business emails in one place. No more switching between the inboxes. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So if you have purchased or bought a domain and a professional email from IONOS, you don't have to check that box or inbox separately. You can easily integrate it with the help of Gmail, and we will walk you through the exact steps of doing it. For that, first of all, you will have to open your Gmail account, and once you are on this type of page, in the top right hand corner of the screen you will see this settings or this gear icon. So simply click on it and then click on see all settings. Now once you are in see all settings, you will have to simply just click on this fourth tab, that is accounts and imports. In the account and import, you will have to simply look for the section that says check email from other accounts. Now right next to it you will see add an email account option, so you need to simply click on it. After clicking it, this type of pop-up will be opened in front of you. Now over here you need to simply enter your IONOS email address. For example, something like your name @yourcompany.com. So let's say I'm going to write this email, then you need to simply press next. So this person is saying you cannot create a mail account for this email, so you can just make changes into it. So you will be shown this type of page now, where it will ask whether you want to link your account with Gmailify or import emails from other account POP3. So you will have to simply choose this option and you need to press next. Now you need to enter your IONOS email username and your password. Then you need to simply select the POP server field and enter your server provider by IONOS, that usually something like pop.ionos.com. Make sure that you check the option of always use a secure connection, that is SSL. So make sure that you check this box, and after that you will have to simply click on the add account option. You can also choose the options like leave a copy of the email on the IONOS server, label incoming messages, or archive them directly. Once everything looks good, you need to just simply click on the add account option and you may be asked to verify or allow your Gmail to access the IONOS account. You just have to simply further follow the on-screen instructions, and this way you will be able to easily use IONOS Gmail and with the help of your Gmail account. So if this video helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.